guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isha and I make videos about beauty, fashion, lifestyle and much more. Sometimes I make my vlogs too, but nowadays I'm not making it because I'm not going anywhere, so I make like weekend vlogs. But anyhow, today's video is gonna be this month's Boxycharm unboxing, and we're gonna use and try the products whatever in that box. This is my June month's Boxycharm, and yeah, we're gonna open this and see and try, and whatever we can try right now on the video, and yeah, we talk about that. How is that? So let's just do this. Ta-da! It's right here. This month's theme was Dare to Dazzle. This is the month of love, so I am expecting some good things in there. So they are, like, as I said last time, there are going to be like 5 products in there, and this box costs me $25 per month, and they're full-size products. So let's just get started. First product is this. Ta-da! Let's see, what is this? So this one is, it's a body wash. Yes, I love body wash. I always use body wash. The only thing which I want in body wash is good fragrance and moisturized. So if it has that, I'll be like very happy. So it says it's from Love Script. Let's see the description as well. Lavender fragrance is there, and it's soothe and elevate your senses. So it costs $28, this one alone. Let's take the fragrance and see the texture, because obviously I'm not going to take shower again. Let's do this. Let's do this here. Ooh, okay. It looks like this. I thought it's gonna be creamy texture, but I'm gonna. So there's a fragrance of lavender, a flower, the floral fragrance, but not too intense. It's very light. So I feel, when you take shower, you're gonna feel that, and it's gonna stay for some time. What I feel for now. The real review gonna be when I gonna take shower with this. Yeah, so there's a fragrance, and that is very, very light. Let's move on to the second product, which is this one, First Aid Beauty. It's a coconut skin smoothing priming moisturizer. All right, so this is a moisturizer. It's right here, if you guys can see this. First Aid Beauty. It cost, the original price is $30 of this product. So I think I'm gonna use it right now as for a primer, because I've done my skincare before starting this video. Right, so it's a full size. It's exactly kind of pea size, and I'm gonna apply this. So it's fragrance free, which is really good. I hate skincare or makeup products which has like really weird smell. I love fragrance products in my body wash or hair care. They are must for the fragrance. So it looks like this. So let's apply this. I'm gonna apply all over my face, not only like where I wanted to prime. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Alright, so I'm gonna leave it for a few seconds, and then we'll move ahead with other products and whatever is needed, which is like really good for summer makeup. Alright, so let's move on to the third product. As of now, I'm feeling great. It's very smooth. The texture is very light. It's not too intense, because I hate like very intense or very oily creams during summer, because it gives me acne on my face. So yeah, as of now, I am totally liking this. The concealer, it is from Pretty Vulgar brand. So it's right there. So I hope this is a good match for my face. I think so it's gonna be, but let's see. So it's a Pretty Vulgar undercover concealer. This lightweight gel serum concealer is hydrating, buildable, and gives medium coverage with a natural flawless finish. So it's a medium coverage, infused with vitamin E and galacto-arabinan. Okay, that is something, whatever it is, to keep skin moisturized and improve appearance. The angled doe foot applicator. So it's a medium coverage, and the cost is $24 on this. You know, let's see how it is. Right, so this is how the brush looks. See it? Yeah. So it says it's Glodient. Touch and Soul is the brand name. Where is that? Yeah, it's right here. So Touch and Soul is the brand name. It's a makeup palette, Glodient makeup palette. So that's the thing. It costs $34. Ooh, wow. Oh my god. First of all, I love the packaging. Seriously, I want to talk about this. This is so pretty. It's a plastic case, but this thing is like so pretty. I want to carry this with me everywhere. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so you know, it looks like it. I don't know. I can't say like this is more of, you know, highlighter palette. This more looks like, because it's all shiny. You guys can see this. Right. On my finger it looks like this, and on my hand, oh my god, this is freaking pigmented. Ooh. This is so good. I like this one. And then I just melt it. If you're getting an idea, you know, it actually just adds a shine, just like a highlighter. So okay, I'm liking it. I checked it on my finger. So far I like it. Alright, so this is from OPV Beauty London Spotlight eyeshadow palette. I'm hoping there's gonna be like so many colors in there, because my last 4 palettes I've received like mix of them, you know, mostly they were warm. This time I hope there's some good colors in there. So this cost $40. It's right here. Ta-da! Alright, so to be honest, they're not bad. I really like them, but now I'm confused what color I'm gonna use to create a makeup look. Right, I feel it's a good color match. Obviously, for highlighting my under eye, I want, you know, little lighter shade. I feel it's gonna work better. Okay, so my eyebrows are done. Now we are going to blend, you know, this concealer. I'm gonna use this brush and wait for a few seconds or few minutes. Like, meanwhile you're doing anything which takes like 2 to 3 minutes. I have taken so much of time. I think I've taken 5 minutes to do my eyebrows, and I am totally digging this one. I'm using Anastasia's brow wax for my eyebrows, and I'm totally loving that. And yeah, so I think this is actually working really well for my under eyes with just one application. Good for now. And now I think we're gonna move on to eyes, and let's do this. So my plan is to do blue eyes right now. I mean, like, I did blue eyes long time back, but nuts. So I think I'm gonna use, you know, these 2 colors. This one for sure, because this is the only amazing color as of now, whatever I've swatched. And oops, this one also I'm gonna use for, like, you know, for my eyelids, and it's gonna pick it up easily. Right. Okay, so literally yeah, I think the pigment is good, but not on the brush. it's not, doing very well on the brush. Let me try my finger, try my finger for all over my eyelid. Yeah, so the finger is a better option instead of but with finger I cannot create a proper eyeshadow. Oh my god. Okay, let's do this. Let's see if we can do that. Otherwise I'm gonna use black. In that case it's not gonna work because there's a black matte in this. Okay, it's right here. Let's try that. Corner, so I'm gonna use this black a little bit, the same brush. So I'm not using a setting spray, maybe because of setting spray it's not working. So I'm gonna use this black on the outer corner. Okay, so this is intense. Look at this. This is intense. This black is very, very good. I'm gonna use on my eyelid and just like an eyeliner, if you know what I mean. You can see that. For my inner corner and for my half of my eye, I'm gonna use this light color, this one, if it's gonna work. So the name of this color is Limelight. This blue one is Dream and this one is Limelight. So let me try that one with other brush if I can do that. This is how much I'm gonna do on my eyelid. It's like light blue on the inner corner. In the middle there's an electric blue, and at the outer corner I've added a black, matte black, just to create a depth. I'm gonna do the same under my in my under eye. Oh my god. So yeah, let me just quickly finish my other eye and I come back with my eyelashes and I'll show you guys the final look of my eyes, and we'll complete the face and we are good to go. Ta-da! Alright guys, my eyes are done. I'm very bad at applying falsies, so yeah, I think they're all over the place. I don't know, I'm feeling really weird, but whatever. So this is the eye look I have created. I've used 3 eyeshadows. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use these 2 colors right here, and I'm gonna create a bronzing and highlighter sort of look. So I'm using a bronzing brush. So let's try this, if this is gonna work. Alright, it's working really good. Oh my god, it added an instant shine. This is awesome. This is amazing, literally. Okay, so I like this one. Done my hair, my lipstick is done. I've applied this hot pink color, which is like, so I'm very fond of matte colors, but then I'm trying these creamy lip colors also these days, which I'm liking it so far. So you guys tell me how it is looking. So this is the final look. So let me just pull on my bangs for a minute and let me show you my eye makeup as well. This is it. This was me with my Boxycharm box. I'll be back with another video, some review or makeup or something else, or maybe fashion video. I have like a lot of ideas going on in my mind, but now I feel that I'm back again. I got that energy. I'm gonna do so many videos now. So yeah, I'll be back with that, and till then, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, because your one subscribe means a lot. Thank you so much. Much love. Mwah.